So I know I haven't been recording in a while, but there might be some new videos coming out, Pokemon cards, Christmas. Thinking about that. Also, I'm gonna post like an Instagram video, like follow my Instagram anyways. I'll do that like probably the next video, but then there's gonna be a video about like I went somewhere. But this is a Disney Springs video. I went somewhere else. That's gonna be a video that I'm gonna post before this video, and then I might post like the Instagram. I don't know, but I haven't been making videos in a long time because, like, honestly, my after school program, they signed me up for 9 more weeks. I mean, But right now, everything's good. Thanksgiving break, anyways. So we're gonna catch up with all the videos, all the series. I might finish this, like all the other series that I haven't finished yet. Probably make season 2. Probably not end the series, But yeah, guys, back to the video.